It is really hot. But that is not going to stop me from having a few friends over for a simple dinner. What am I going to cook? I'm going to make my favorite fish tacos because they don't require me to slave over a hot stove. And I also don't want to overdo the food. I want the amount to be just right. And I want my guests to feel like they've had a treat. So these are great. I use these Trader Joe's tortillas. I got a beautiful piece of cod that I sauteed, and I put it all together on this plate with a little red cabbage. You can add a lot of red cabbage and some cilantro. And then the secret ingredient is the Chipotle sauce, which I made of canola oil mayonnaise, or actually avocado olive oil mayonnaise, and honey, lime, cilantro, and these Chipotle chilies, which I always keep on hand in my cupboard or my refrigerator because they give it that smoky chili flavor. So listen, this is something you can do, and your friends will thank you for it. It is perfect for a hot summer night, and that is smart eating.